Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and today I'll be updating you on the hair. So this is how I went to work for the week from the 5th to the 9th, and it's still intact. There was no dandruffs, there were dry areas but not dandruffs. It's just dry and needed some moisturizer. Apart from that, the hair has been doing fine. Now I'm going to wash it today. I'm going to start back on my weekly schedule to wash my hair, treat it, etc, etc. So I'm going to take it down today. Today is Sunday. I'm going to take it down and I'm going to wash it and redo it again. So I'm going to show you how it's looking. Elastic band is in there. I didn't take it down any at all. I didn't pull it out. So this is how it's looking. Curls are nice. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun. So that is how it's looking, guys. And guess what, guys, the elastic bands are almost done. So I am going to be on my no elastic band journey soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to go with the big twists. So let's see. Because I'm really addicted to this hairstyle. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to pull out the scrunchie. By the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm. And I said no dandruffs is there, no nothing. My hair is cooperating, no knots, etc. See that time can erase each strand a symbol of. I get that freedom feeling in my hair, just letting it down. That freedom feeling. We're in the daylight. Right. We're in the daylight. So it still has a lot of the product in it. Light. See how shiny it is. So I'm gonna wash it as it is, apply more products and retwist. Alright guys, I will see you guys soon. Bye guys. With every step she takes,
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.